New Mexico hatch chili pepper. Woohoo! Yeah, we got lucky on this one. We came in at just the right time of year to catch the hatch chili time. It lasts for about a month. People may ask you, do you like red or do you like green? And we say Christmas. What you see here is a cooker. Street side vendors will have these big cookers with a propane tank hooked up. You throw the peppers in there and give them a spin. You see these red hanging chilies. Most of those, I believe, are just for decoration. Very popular time of year for the state. And some really good eats, by the way. So if you haven't had a hatch chili pepper, you gotta try it. Good stuff. Definitely ask for the mild ones, though, unless you really like hot, because some of these things can get quite toasty on your tongue and really bring your palate to life. You can feel the heat coming off this drum. It's a little bit loud as well. Then we went to Meow Wolf. There's Laura and me in a odd egg-shaped chair, and Laura coming up some weird stairs, and around every corner, something different. You can tell my musical talent will never take me far. This is some sort of a prehistoric creature. And when you tap on things, they make noise. When you touch on things, they make noise. There's lights, there's shapes, there's sounds, there's just, it's a psychedelic experience, I tell you. And Laura taking a spin at it. There's the head of this creature. So at Meow Wolf, I decided to jump in the dryer. You go through the dryer, you end up in another room. You open up the refrigerator, go into another room. And then you come into places like this, where there's all these wires and lights. And it's a very difficult place to describe because there's so many things to see. It's just insane how many people were involved in this and came up with all this creative stuff. Like this, for example. And after you've been in here a while, kind of starts to mess with your brain a little bit, and you suddenly think you're a dancer. Okay, maybe my dancing skills also aren't going to take me very far. During our visit, we found a couple of travel trailers, even a school bus and an old vintage travel trailer. As you can see here, all lit up with electrified cactus and lights and chili pepper lights and just strange stuff everywhere. In my hand, I have some 3D glasses also for some of the 3D parts of it. We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with, who knows. So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.